As a homeowner in Chicago, you rely on your furnace to keep your home warm and cozy during the cold winter months. But what happens when your furnace starts making noise? Whether it's a loud bang, a persistent rattle, or a high-pitched squeal, a noisy furnace can be a sign of an underlying issue that needs attention. At your HVAC company, our team of experienced technicians is here to help. We'll diagnose the problem and provide a solution to get your furnace running smoothly and efficiently. Don't wait until it's too late. Call 555-555 to schedule an appointment today. Learn more about our HVAC services and how we can help you with your heating repair needs.